Okay, can you see my can you see my presentation?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now we'll discuss what is the shape of the heart. So not only as we can see through the pictures are entered, not only we have only the heart shape, but as we dig and dig, as we dig the heart, but the shape of the heart is not only the heart shape, but there are different kinds of shape of the heart. Not only in the physical appearance, the shape is if you're trying to combine the both ears, then it will form a shape of a heart. But now, for today's lesson, we will discuss about the another shape of the heart. So, we have the arrogant heart. What is the arrogant heart? So, in this through this discussion, at the end of this topic, we'll learn when one has the heart that he's doing well, you can foretell what will follow. Then the second one is recognize the heart despise others versus the humble heart. So we have the arrogant heart, and at the same time we have the humble and arrogant heart. So first, what is arrogant? So arrogant heart is thinking highly in ourselves. So try to think when or where you think that you are thinking that you are better from the others. So there are times, especially when I read your answer activity or answer sheets, they are telling that you are ahead or you are better than the others. So it means you fall into the arrogant one or you have a arrogant heart. So the next one is arrogant. The more this person thinks that he or she has many great qualities and skills, the greater the arrogance becomes. An arrogant heart brings many problems to us in our lives. So it means from the selection given, so the more you are arrogant, the more you are thinking that you are better than the others, so nagiging arrogant na tayo sa ating heart. I know some of you, we may not tell the name, but in ourselves, nagiging parang self-proclaiming tayo na we are higher than the others. Kumbaga, nagiging what they call this, hambugero na ta. But natin, in some way, hambugero ta on our own selves. Dili na to ginashow. But napoy uban, hambugero nga, ginashow nila. Like, pare, tapon ka sa klase, like something ana. But there are two types of arrogance, so just categorize yourself which one you fall from the arrogant or the yung showy or arrogant na nasa sarili lamang. So the next one is, so examples of arrogance, as like I said, is you're thinking highly with yourself. So a person used to get along with his friend, then one day he suddenly had the thought that he is better than him. So eto na yun sa mga friendship ninyo. Have you ever noticed with your friends na you able to categorize na naay bugo, naay bright, naay something kuan-kuan sa iyong klase, tarong-tarong. Have you ever noticed? Naka-notice ba mo sa
Yes,
inyong
ma'am.
kuan nga there is
Yes,
something
ma'am.
na mas mulabaw? And then, in such time or such scenario is nagiging it fall into parang bullying. Have you tried?
Yes, ma'am.
Siguro in a circle of friends, dili jud siya mawala, tama?
Yes.
Yes,
Di siya
ma'am.
mawala, but
Yes,
you
ma'am.
as your in yourselves, you know how to control. So, since nga, especially you need to be keen kay naatay mga cyberbullying law. So, even at your age, I know you're not minor. Tama? So, you're not minor, so be careful what you
Mm-mm.
say. because you might be Sue. Mga 18 pa lang mo, basig you will render your whole life in the in the jail. So be careful sa the way you said because even na dili kay siya bugat, but the law is ginaprotektahan na pud niya ang mga bata, especially mga minor since daghan na ang cases sa bullying dari sa Pilipinas, even nga ignan lang ka ng your sa taba. So, daghan na kaayo types of bullying na might lead into sue or yung mapakulong ka or to put you into jail. So the next one is, so let's examine the arrogant heart in different angle. So let's try to take a look. So example, can you read Garcia, Danilin?
Kaya tanan, ma'am. Kanay tanan, ma'am.
Yes, and then right after, explain.
So, example of the arrogant heart. Suppose a person actual score is 100. However, if he thinks he is great in his heart, he would score himself higher than his actual score. He would probably give himself a 200 or 500. When he lives with that kind of heart, the people around him become uncomfortable. He thinks he's a 500, but others only treat him like a 100. Although he may not show it, begins to feel these people are despising me. Ang pagsabot, ma'am, kay pag once na ang imong tan-aw sa imong sarili kay kanang taas na kaayo, ang tan-aw sa ubang tao sa imong kay mubo na kaayo kay the higher the amount na imong pagtan-aw sa imong sarili, ang anak pud ka mubo ang pagtan-aw sa ubang mao pagsabot mo.
Okay. So let's try to take in an actual scenario. Who can give an example? Yung actual scenario. We have Villanueva. Yung actual scenario. If you think that you are higher than your friend or your ex-friend, classmate, yes, Villanueva. Villanueva.
Wait lang, ma'am. Yung palit. Wait lang, mama.
Okay. Okay, how about Miss Gonzalez?
Ganito, ma'am.
Let's try to take another scenario regarding with the arrogant heart that you're trying to rate yourself more than the average score which is 100. So, ano pa yung mga scenario?
Wala, imong tingugan niya, ma'am.
I'm sorry. So, can you hear me clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, can you give me another scenario that you rate yourself more than sa ginapangayon na percentage rate?
For example, ma'am, kanang sa good sa exam.
Aqua, it is your based from experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Tapos kanang na ako'y friend ana good. Tapos murag mas higher good ko sa iya ha. Miss kag 2 points lang good. Tapos ginaingon ako nga mas kanang dako gyapon ko kuha niya miss kan 2 points lang akong labaw.
Okay. So have you considered your heart that it is arrogant?
Yes, ma'am, kay kanang mas unsa ganina 'di ba pag arrogant ka mas gina-proclaim nimo imong sarili nga higher than the others.
Okay. So you're proclaiming higher in the others. Okay, let's try to take on your example or your scenario. So, walang mali if you're trying to highest ko sa imuha. But, beyond sa pagiging highest is na kay another side thought. Like, for example, yes, nalabo na dyan ako siya. Sino siya gipag-ipag-kompetensya sa kuha, oy? So, it means there are another negative thoughts nga nag-grow. So, being from yung, yes, you excel, but if negative thought arise, so, yun na yung nagiging arrogant tayo. So, you're trying to proclaim yourself, the same time, compete, then, the same time again is yung negative thought is tumataas siya. Another one is, why can people hearts, why people share their hearts? Why people can, sorry,
Can share their
why
hearts.
people can share their hearts? So, yun yung sentence. Why people can share their hearts? So, ano yung mga senaryo? Wala, yung sa actual na scenario, why in some time that you can share your heart? Ano ba yung mga real life experience nyo? Bakit hindi nyo magawang i-share sa iba yung heart nyo? Anyone? How about Luella? So, ano yung mga example that hindi mo kayang i-share yung heart mo?
Siguro ma'am, kuan kanang 'di ba 'di ba sa atong heart naman jud tay mga dira man jud nato makita to ang mga tawag ani mga saloobin ma'am. So,
So, in your own, from your experience, or yung mga naranasan mo na, why you can share your heart to the others? We're not just talking about the girlfriend and boyfriend thingy, ha? You're just trying to dig and dig, bakit hindi mo ma-share si heart? So, for example, is, yeah, you get an enemy, then one day, he need or she needs something, but ayaw mong siyang tulungan. So, have you ever felt on that kind of scenario or have you ever experienced?
yes ma'am.
On what way? Ano yung mga naging reason or hindrance for you to help?
It's because ma'am kanang nakay untahay nakoy kaaway ma'am, and then ako ang friend kaaway nako siya, and then in the same manner kay nangayo siya og tabang sakwa, but then dili nako siya mahatagan og di nako siya matabangan, it because kanang um, ako ang heart kay nasuko sa iyaha.
Okay? Because of hatred. But, have you ever noticed then kapag nag-aaway kayo ng mga kapatid nyo, meron ka bang kapatid?
Mga pinsan ma'am.
Only child ka lang?
Yes ma'am, pero diri ako nagpuyo.
Okay.
Daghan kog mga kaubal mga bata.
Okay, so example sa imuhang cousins or pinsan. Di ba, even na kahit galit ka, you're still trying to help them, tama?
Yes ma'am.
Even nga bunalan siya ni sa ihang mama, maluoy ba ka or malipay?
Maluoy ma'am.
Maluoy. So deep in our heart, even nga nasukot na sa iya ha, but what we want for the person is what would be the good for him or for her. So always remember, even nga natay hatred, natay kasuko, but always cultivate your mind na all you want for him or her sa imong enemy is only the good thing. Never curse the person nga into bad thing or bad or negative thing. Because at the end of the day, even friends ni mo siya, classmate, still they are human. So give peace, not for yourself, but for the others. Kung dili nila kaya hatag ang peace para silang sarili, then at your end, just give a peace of mind. Because at the end of the day, wala lang gihapon. We will both die. So, what would be the hindrance na dili nimo siya or dili ka mo wish sa iya in a good thing or something good will happen to him. So, what would be the reason why people can share? One is because they think they're better than other people. So, have you ever noticed, siguro inside in your class, na something mana siya, dili man na siya makikuan oy, dili na siya makihalubilo. So whenever asked to them nga what was the reason nga nung dili siya makipaghalubilo sa tua, then napoy point is yung classmate nato is sa inyong scenario is yung classmate ninyo dili nagapa-share sa iyahang answer. It's just because he think or she think that she is better sa inyuha. Then another one is, yes, cheating is wrong. Cheating is mali jud. But siguro inside in the class, nadyo kanang mga classmate kami ngon, wala man ko'y answer, but at the end of the day, perfect siya. Okay? So, I know na experience po na ninyo nga mga scenario. Then another one is, as a result, a person only wants herself, surrounds themselves with opinion that match their own. So, those people nga naging taas ng pagtanaw sa ilang sarili, o have you ever noticed, di na sila mudawat og opinion sa uban. So gusto nila ang ilang opinion na lang permi ang tama, permi masunod. But it is very wrong nga always na lang ang imong opinion ang masunod. Except na lang if you excel mentally sa ilaha. Siguro you are higher with them sa when it comes to mind lang. Okay? So, parang sa ilaha, yung imong opinion is dili tama basig ma-zero pa mo ana. So I know some of you siguro na ay yung ana or already experienced. Then another one on top of that, his counterpart also possess the same heart. So that is why you are unable to have any sort of conversation. So, have you ever felt na yung classmate mo is thinking highly, so kato yung mga classmate nga, wala dito, maghilom-hilom na lang nga siya. Because I know, or she know, he know na iyang opinion is dili gihapon paminawon sa iyang classmate. Because ang iyang classmate is self-proclaiming nga bright na jud siya, she can do it or he can do it. Okay, the next one is the more advanced economy, the more comfort in our lives. So that means, so there are greater chance that your heart becomes arrogant. So the more advanced the economy. So example, ano siya, the best example is kana sa klase. So sa klase, you might be able to excel sa class because you have the advanced study, naka-research na ka, you have internet, you have wifi, which is tama. But, another is, ang negative niya is, nagiging hamburgero ka, ay, manakuha na siya, handa na ko, nakabalo na ko. You are trying to, you're good in everything. So, parang, there is no room for you i-improve pa mo ang sarili. Okay? So, if you're trying to maging self-proclaiming na ka, nothing to, wala na self-improvement kailangan para sa ibang tao, then maybe you fall into arrogant heart that needs to be cured. Because here in earth, or here in the, as we live, kailangan everything is not permanent. So, now you try changes. So, every now and then, let's try to adopt the kind of environment we have. So, what is the heart to trust yourself? So, what is the heart to trust yourself? So, another one is keeping the things you have done well for a long time in your heart. So keeping the things you have done well and a long time in your heart, so it means yung trusted na kay kasi mo sarili. Like for example, kinauna na nimo, trabaho nimo, like for example, kay Beluneba, hindi na siya mamaliw ka ng baligya siya mapanindak. Kay since grade 1 siya, nagabaligya na siya until nag-college siya. So keeping the things, so it means naging trustful siya sa iyang sarili. But the other side, sa 100%, na 0.1% nga magkamali ta. So it means the wato na to siya ang ato makamalian. Number one is not being able to trust others due to experience of betrayal or distrust from others. So it means yung pinaka yung very broad yung you unable to trust the others because of your experience. So, daghan ni siya. For example, you're bullied from elementary. Then the second one is family problems. So, instead ang imong family ang mo build sa imo to grow, siguro sila ang nawalan og trust sa imong sarili. So, they are the one nga nawala ang imong confidence sa imong sarili. Okay? So, mo nang uban nga nagiging they are being aloof with the others. They like nga sila lang isa. They don't want to toy around with others because uh, ginakip nila ilang sarili sa mga pain. So, they are trying to escape the pain or avoid the pain. So, mo na siya another reason why is the hard to trust yourself. So, magdaging trustful sila sa ilahang sarili just because of the pain from the past or from the future or ano ba yung mga pain nila. Then another one is there is no one in this world who is great at everything he or she does. So it means you in yourself, Scamo, Villanueva, Pastara, Garcia, Cherry, so sa inyong sarili, you are great. So it means na namin na yung mga butang nga nag-excel mo. Like Pastara, he excel in the class. Si Villanueva, he excel in the class with sa major, kung sa major. Same with Cherry. Excel siya sa ilahang sa inyong English. Si Danny na-excel siya sa mga major subjects. So, you are good in everything. So, ayun yun siya, i-down yung sarili na something, you're not good, walay good sa inyo. But, ito lang yung masasabi ko is, wag kayong magkaroon ng self-proclaim. So, always remain your heart or your feet on the ground. So, don't ever nga, yung dadalhin nyo yung sariling bangko nila. Okay? So, the another one is everyone one does well at all times and do badly at times. So, ito yun. So, nagkakamali tayo at meron din tayong mga tamang ginagawa. So, our life is hindi lang puros tama, hindi lang puros mali. So, parang kumbaga is yung kanta ng Gulong ng Palad. Parang ganun lang talaga yung buhay natin. Okay, so trusting ourselves, there's also one more reason why people trust themselves is because they cannot trust others. So, yun yung sinabi ko na meron mga trust issues, ano yung mga hinakit nila. Another one, if someone they trusted betrayed them, hard to distrust people. So, ito yung betrayal from the family or being bullied. Okay, any question, guys?
None so far, ma'am.
Pastara.
And so far, ma'am.
Wala? Okay. By the way, ikaw na lang tamo, be prepared sa reflection paper ngayong buhaton para sa inyong terminal project. I won't require you for the one by one reflection. Nga, gikan week 1, buhatan ninyo siya reflection. Okay, I want you to create your reflection on one whole band paper. I will post the yung mga instruction, further instruction for that. But instruct mo na lang, I'll just give the information so that maka-ready mo. Okay? And another one is we will have your exam